Good morning. Well, a busy week is on the cards for Aussie investors. The RBA meets tomorrow with rates tipped to remain on hold, while first quarter GDP is out for the first time in 2020 on Wednesday, with the market pricing in just 1.4% growth in the first quarter. But today, if you looked at the Aussie market, the futures were earlier suggesting a subdued start to June, with the futures eyeing a fall of 0.4%, following a cracking close for the month of May, with the ASX 200 lifting 4.7%, while US equities rose less than that, 4%. And on Friday, markets breathed a sigh of relief as US President Donald Trump did not signal any changes to the China trade deal. Welcome news. The Dow, however, fell ever so slightly, 0.1%, and the S&P 500 rose 0.5%. The tech-heavy Nasdaq charged 1.3% higher. On the commodity front, the oil price slipped 0.4%, settling at $35.15 a barrel, but it's on a high after lifting 90% in the month of May. Gold, meantime, is trading at $1,756 an ounce after gaining $4.70, and the iron ore price is at a fresh, about 4-month high after rising 0.5% to $92.03. Welcome news for our iron ore majors like Fortescue Metals, BHP and Rio Tinto. Now, what to watch today? Well, several states are relaxing their restrictions, including ACT, Victoria and New South Wales. And in New South Wales, pubs, clubs, restaurants and cafes can now have up to 50 customers from today. So keep an eye on food and beverage companies like Costa, CGC, Bega Cheese, Woolies and Coles. Now to some local trading ideas. Well, Citi has raised Event Hospitality, EVT, their price target by 31% to $9.75, following its cracking gain of 60% of its COVID-19 lows. And secondly, Citi has downgraded Lovisa LOV from a buy to a sell, giving it a price target of $5.85 after it's gained over 200% from its COVID-19 lows. However, for Lovisa, Bell Potter backs the stock as a buy, saying the costume jewellery company has a very strong balance sheet. Now, Bell Potter reiterated the breast screening company Volpara Health Technologies, VHT, as a buy with a $1.75 price target, implying over 20% share price growth. Although full-year results gave very little new information, operating costs appear to be slightly higher in FY21 and 22, but its revenue, the key thing, its revenue is tipped to double compared to the prior year's previous increase. And Appen APX reaffirmed its calendar year earnings guidance on Friday, and Bell Potter and Credit Suisse both downgraded the stock to a hold following its cracking share price growth. I'm Jessica Amir with Bell Direct. Happy trading and stay safe.